In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send client statements in SimplePractice. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clear, accurate statement for any client, review what it contains, and share it in the way that works best for your practice. First, let's create the statement. Open the client's profile and head to the Billing tab. This is where all of the client's financial activity lives, so it's the perfect starting point. At the top, choose the date range you want the statement to cover. Many practices use last month to keep things consistent with regular billing cycles, but you can pick any range that matches your workflow. The date range controls which invoices and payments are included, so think about what the client needs to see: a monthly summary, a quarter, or a custom span for a specific request. Once the dates look right, click New, then select Statement. SimplePractice will generate the document right away based on your selection. Next, review the statement before sharing it. You'll see the beginning balance, the total amount invoiced during the period, the payments received, and the ending balance. Below that, you'll find itemized charges and payments, which help clients understand exactly how their balance was calculated. Take a moment to scan for accuracy. If the ending balance feels off, look at whether your date range included all intended sessions and payments. For a deeper look, open the Details section. This timeline shows each invoice and payment in order, along with how the balance changed after each activity. It's a great way to verify that everything lines up and that there aren't any surprises, like overlapping date ranges or missing payments. When you're satisfied, you're ready to send or share the statement. In the top right corner of the statement view, you'll see options to print, download, email, or delete. Printing works well if you're handing a copy to a client in person. Downloading creates a file you can store securely or attach elsewhere. Emailing is fast and convenient for most clients, and it keeps all communication in one place. If you generated the statement in error or decide you don't need it, the delete option is there to keep your records clean. Choose the option that best matches how your client prefers to receive information and your practice's documentation needs. That's it. You've created the statement, reviewed it for clarity, and sent it using the method that fits the situation. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you follow along in your own account.